Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shinjan and Debanjali vlogs, and this is Debanjali. As you can see in the thumbnail, today we are going to give you a review on the Bodyshop Vitamin C range. Not the entire range, just two products. But before I start with the review, you must have noticed that most of the Indian uh, people and all the Asian countries are very much obsessed with fair skin and skin color, and we always look for ways for, be it home remedies or expensive cosmetic products or another thing to brighten our skin, make our skin glow, get one tone fairer than we are. And most importantly, since we live in tropical countries, we have this problem of getting tanned very easily. So we are also really concerned and focused on removing our skin tan. And I will be coming up with more videos on this topic later on. Today we are going to talk about the Bodyshop Vitamin C Glo Boosting Moisturizer and the Bodyshop Vitamin C Scrub, and they call their scrub Microdermabrasion. Let's begin with the scrub first. The Glo Boosting Microdermabrasion, derma being our skin, and they are calling it the microdermabrasion because the granules in this particular scrub are the smallest I have ever seen in any brand whatsoever, be it a cheap company or like cheaper price, I mean, or be it a very premium company including Bodyshop. Bodyshop does have other scrubs. The Bodyshop has, I have been using the Bodyshop British Rose body scrub, but those scrub granules are much bigger compared to this one, and this is microscopic, so that is why they are calling it the Glo Boosting Microdermabrasion. Abrasion being, they're using this term because whenever we scrub our skin, we are doing it to remove the dead cells on it, so as to achieve an even tone skin, and also to achieve glow. Now this particular scrub does not feel rough or coarse on your skin at all, so this is one of the major advantages or pros of this particular product. Now let's come to the name of this product, Glo Boosting Microdermabrasion. It does give you a little bit of glow, but considering the price of this product, which is 1750 rupees for 100 ml of this product, we will expect a major amount of major amount of glow on our face, which you do not get even with repeated use of this product. And we all know that scrubbing your skin is advisable only for 2 to 3 days a week maximum, and that too for a particular period of time you need to scrub your face, and not more than that, because if you keep on scrubbing your face for a very long time, you risk damaging your skin texture. Now this Bodyshop Vitamin C scrub is basically good for those people who have sensitive skin. Now we all know people who have sensitive skin should not be using products which have vitamin C in them, but this particular vitamin C product is easily suitable for anybody who has sensitive skin. This is particularly suited for people who have oily skin and even people who have dry skin, because after using this scrub you will feel that your skin has become a little moisturized, which is weird because vitamin C actually takes away all the oiliness from your skin, but this one keeps the natural oils of your skin. Now I would say that if you are using these two products as a combo, together they will give you a very good result, but if you're just using them individually, then you will not see too much of a difference in your skin. Now this was my first purchase, and after I have got some good results from this product, I thought of buying another product from this range, which was the Glo Boosting Moisturizer. Now this packaging says that it has properties which will bring out the natural glow of your skin. Now it says that this product is suitable for dull, tired and grumpy skin. Now I don't know what grumpy skin means, because like grumpy we mean by a particular sort of an emotion when you're grumpy, but then again when you have dull and tired skin, you automatically become grumpy after you see yourself in the mirror. Anyway, now this product this is even more expensive than this one. This was 1750 for 100 ml and this is 1845 for 50 ml only. Now I bought this on Nykaa and Nykaa.com, and I got a 20% discount, which was promotional offer for this particular range of products. And this is not really a moisturizer, I wouldn't say that, for many reasons, but let me show you the consistency of this product. This is a, like, it's not really a gel, but it's not like a moisturizer either. Let me take a little bit, and as you can see, it's more like a gel type consistency. You can see the shine of a gel on this product. Now as you can see, it spreads on your skin very easily and it gets absorbed even better. And after a while, and they are suggesting that you don't need to keep on massaging your skin when you're applying this. You just, apply it on your skin in a very smooth and mild fashion and let the product get absorbed into your skin naturally. Now they are suggesting that you should be using this particular moisturizer after you take your bath in the daytime, but I have seen somehow this product has proven to be more effective for me if I am using this in the night as a serum and not a moisturizer. Because if you are only using this product, and trust me, I have oily skin, and after using this product my skin is becoming rather dry and not moisturized, because this product is a moisturizer and it is actually doing no job good enough for being a moisturizer, but it has certain benefits. Number one, the smell of this product is very soothing. It is not irritable at all. Number two, people who have sensitive skin, it will suit them as well, even though it is a vitamin C range of product. And number three, this product gets absorbed in your skin very easily, so you don't need to keep on massaging your skin for long hours or minutes, whatever. And this product will not cause any acne or breakouts after you use them, even though you have an acne prone skin like I do. I have very oily skin and very acne prone skin even in the winters, but this product has actually helped me control my acne to a very long extent. But then I would also like to add that if you are already having acne, this will not do any help to reduce that acne or put them away from your face, but it will not cause any additional acne or pimple on your face whatsoever. Now, two things I would like to say about this product. Number one, they should have provided a spatula for using this product if they are not manufacturing it inside tubes, because we all know that after a certain point of time we realize that how harmful it is to use your fingers to get the product to use it on your face, unless you have really clean hygienic fingers. Because what happens is, if you are using dirty fingers to use this cream or moisturizer, then you eventually end up blaming the product and not your hygiene issues. And second of all, the rest of the cream also gets tampered and contaminated. Now the major drawback of both these products is that they are really very expensive, and they actually do not provide any miraculous benefits for skin glow or tan removal or whatever. And it does claim a lot of things, but it does hydrate your skin to a great extent. But do remember to read the instruction which is given on the label, because it does say to avoid the eye area, and you must do so, because I cannot stress on this matter enough that after you use this particular moisturizer, it will not moisturize your skin. It will make your skin slightly dry, like even for oily skin people I'm saying. So it is absolutely a big no for dry skin people if you are only wanting to use this cream as a standalone. Just use it as a serum and then apply a good night cream or moisturizer which is actually moisturizing for your skin. So I would suggest a good regimen for oily skin people at the end of this video, which is, if you have oily skin and if you have acne prone and pimple prone skin, then this regimen is for you. Step 1, please use the Bodyshop Tea Tree facial gel or facial cleanser to wash your face. After you have washed your face, twice or thrice in a week, this is step 2, use the Bodyshop Vitamin C Microdermabrasion as a scrub. Scrub it for 2 minutes maximum, very gently on your face. Wash out the scrub. Step 3 being the Vitamin C Glo Boosting Moisturizer, but don't use it as a cream or a moisturizer or a standalone product. Use it as a night serum, and absolutely avoid your eye area, because you know that you will get wrinkles very easily if the area around your eyes get dried up due to using this product. After using this, use the Bodyshop Full Moisturizer on your face as a night cream. These 4 products used simultaneously, one after the other, will give you very good results, and actually you will see glow on your face if you religiously use this for things 7 days a week. Not this one, 7 days a week. So if you religiously follow this regimen, you will definitely get a good skin glow on your face, but you have to be patient. So that's it for today in this video. I will come up with more videos on skin lightening products and even home remedies which will help you get glow on your face and also help you remove your tan. Bye now.